Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll walk you through the process of changing the color theme on Chrome for your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Chrome on your computer. Step 2. Look for the profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it. Step 3. Next to Other Profiles, select Manage Profiles. Step 4. Find the profile you want to edit and click on the 3 dots icon at the top right. Then, tap on Edit. Step 5. Now, it's time to choose a new color theme that suits your style and preference. Remember, changes are saved automatically, so you don't have to worry about manually saving your selection. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the color theme on Chrome for your PC. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.